This video will show you how to install your SmartBoard GX-V2 or GX-V3 series interactive display. The installation of all SmartBoard displays is a similar process with minor variations by model and size. In this video, we'll demonstrate the process by installing a 65-inch GX-V2 display on a wall. Be sure to refer to the installation instructions for your specific display model. The illustrated installation instructions are included in the display's packaging, and you can also download them from the Smart Support site. To learn about installing the display on a stand rather than on a wall, visit Stands and Wall Mounts on the Smart Support site. The package indicates which side is the front of the display. Because you need to attach brackets to the back of the display before mounting it to the wall, make sure that you have clear access to the back of the display and that the back is oriented toward the mounting location. Remove the accessories from the accessory slot on the side of the packaging and set them aside for use later. Cut and remove the packaging straps and remove any loose packaging pieces. Remove the clips that secure the top of the box to the base by squeezing the plastic retaining clips and pulling them out of the box. Carefully lift the top of the packaging to remove it. Be sure to remove both the cardboard and foam packing materials. Find the additional accessories box in the bottom of the packaging and set it aside for use later. The accessories box contains a variety of important accessories for the display, such as Wi-Fi antennas, pens, and the remote control. It's a good idea to keep all the accessories in one place, so you can find them easily as you install the display. Carefully cut the protective bag and pull it down. Attach the display's Wi-Fi antennas to the connectors on the back of the display. If you'll be using an optional Smart OPS PC module, now's a good time to install it into the display's OPS slot before you mount the display on the wall or connect power. We'll install the display on a wall using Smart Wall Mount Model WM-SBID-200. This wall mount kit includes the wall mount, 2 brackets for the display, 4 screws for mounting those brackets to the display, and an illustrated installation guide. The wall mount installation guide is also available on the Smart Support site. The installation guide shows the tools and additional hardware that isn't included but that you might need. Be sure to have these available before you begin the installation. Before you install the wall mount, consider the type of installation and the average height of the people who will use the display. Also, make sure there's enough wall space to accommodate the size of the display, including additional space around the display to allow for airflow, cable access, and to let you adjust the display's position. Secure the wall mount to the wall using appropriate fasteners for the type of wall. Make sure the display bracket security screw is loose enough to permit mounting the display on the wall mount without obstruction. Secure the 2 brackets to the back of the display using M8 screws, 4 of which are included with the wall mount. In most cases, there's a range of bracket installation heights you can choose from. Select a height that allows clear access for the lower screw heads. Using 2 or more people as needed for the display's weight and size, lift the display out of its packaging and carefully hang it on the mount. Secure the display brackets to the mount to minimize the risk of accidental removal. You might need to use a long-reach screwdriver for this step. Do not tighten the screws fully, only turn them until they stop. Connect the display's power cable from the power outlet to the display's power input port, but don't turn on the display quite yet. If you're using a wired Ethernet network connection, attach the network cable from your network to the display. If you're connecting an external computer, attach the computer's video and USB data cables to the display. After everything is connected, find the main power switch on the back of the display and turn it on. The location of the switch varies by display model and size, but it's usually close to where the power cable is connected. Put batteries in the remote control. Put the pens on the display's pen tray. If the display does not begin to turn on automatically, press the power button on the front. After you turn on the display for the first time, you're prompted with some setup screens. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the display's language, identifying name, country, date and time, Wi-Fi network connection, and other options. It's also a good idea to check for display software updates by going to Apps, Settings, and then selecting System, System Update, Check for Updates. Install Smart Product Drivers on any computers you've connected to the display. You can download Smart Product Drivers from the support website. Smart Product Drivers is available on its own, and it's also included with Smart's education and business software packages such as Smart Notebook, Smart Meeting Pro, and Smart Teamworks. For product documentation, troubleshooting, and support, scan the QR code on the side of the display or visit support.smarttech.com. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.